For which Pet Insurance Ireland app? The pros, the cons. The FBD Pet Insurance Ireland app is built for pet owners who want easy access to their insurance policies anytime, anywhere. You might think it's just a digital policy book, but it actually allows claim submission, premium management, and real-time coverage monitoring. On the pros side, the app offers full visibility of your policy, including accident, illness, and optional wellness coverage. Filing a claim is simple. You can upload vet bills, receipts, and photos directly through the app. Premiums are easy to manage with reminders and full payment history. Push notifications alert you about claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. For households with multiple pets, the app lets you manage all pets under one account, making tracking much simpler. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, meaning most features require an internet connection. Some users report that viewing older claims or detailed documents can be slower at times. Additionally, advanced tools like cost calculators or wellness trackers aren't included, which may be a drawback if you want more detailed insight into your pet's insurance coverage. In conclusion, the FBD Pet Insurance Ireland app is a practical, user-friendly solution for managing your pet insurance. While it lacks advanced planning tools, it excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring. For Irish pet owners, this app offers convenience, clarity, and peace of mind.